Maybe I'll just go without makeup today. Who am I kidding? Please. Today I'm going to be testing the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer in Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I'm going to be showing you my first impression, and I'm going to wear it throughout the day and let you know at the end of the day how I liked it and how it held up. So if you want to know more about this tinted moisturizer, then just keep watching. Hello Starlets, I'm Sarah from Everyday Starlet. Welcome to my channel. We're bringing a little bit of glamour to everyday life. If you want to join my Starlet squad, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I am very excited about a new product that was sent to me by First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. According to the website, it says it's a multitasker with sun protection that provides up to 12 hours of soothing hydration, imparts a natural luminous finish, and reduces the look of visible imperfections. It's formulated with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and other nourishing ingredients. It also has colloidal oatmeal. A lot of their products have that. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. Colloidal. I have a college education, I swear. Colloidal and allantoin. I feel like those are like French models. This is my friend Colloidal and this is my friend Allantoin. And are they dating a Kardashian now? I have no clue. Huh? It's said to help to reduce the appearance of redness while calming and soothing sensitive skin. My skin is very sensitive and it is super red right now, so we're gonna really test and see if this calms down redness. Natural mineral pigments and micro pearls, gotta have the pearls, people, deliver good, clean, buildable coverage to enhance skin's natural radiance while minimizing the look of redness, pores, uneven skin tone, and other visible imperfections. The whipped mousse-like formula will not clog pores. It's vegan, non-comogenic. I really can speak, I swear. Gluten-free, nut-free, nano-free, and cruelty-free. They actually sent me all the shades, and I actually went back and forth between the fair and the light, and I feel like the shade light is the closest to the foundation shades that I normally wear, so I'm gonna go with that. I actually decided to film this with my vlog camera. I don't have quite as much fancy lighting because I feel like it's easier for you to really see my skin this way. You see all the imperfections, which is why I don't always film with my vlog camera because I like to cover the imperfections, but today we're trying to let them show. Okay, I know it's a tinted moisturizer, so you technically shouldn't have to prime with it, but I just have to prime my face. So I'm gonna use my favorite primer, which is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I'm gonna dot on some of this tinted moisturizer here because I have two sides of my face for a reason. I'm gonna try my Clarisonic foundation brush on one side. I do find sometimes this has a problem with thicker foundations, and this is quite mousse-like. Actually gonna try the other side with my Real Techniques buffing brush, which is my other favorite foundation brush, and I find that this one works well with pretty much all of my foundations. So I mean, obviously you get more of a smoother finish but a little bit less coverage because the Clarisonic does wipe away some of the foundation, whereas the buffing brush tends to just sort of buff it out. But I'm gonna go over the whole thing with my beauty blender. I do feel like my skin is evened out a little bit. Cheeks are definitely pretty red though. I do think they've calmed down a little bit. The fact that this has oatmeal in it, making me feel like I'm putting a protein pancake on my face. If you use oatmeal in your protein pancakes, which some people may not. I do. But you know what? That's a whole other subject. Huh? My skin has a nice glow to it. I do feel like some of the redness has calmed down a little bit. Not getting like major coverage, but I do feel like I'm getting a little bit of a natural glow. It does say it's buildable, so I'm actually going to go in and attempt to build it. The song, build it. Oh no, it's Can We Fix It? Yes, we can. Don't ask me why I have that in my head. I have no clue. This is giving me a little bit more coverage. I do feel like my redness has come down a little bit. I don't think it's ever gonna be full coverage. I mean, I suppose maybe if I just kept layering it, but that would be kind of insane. Let's get a real up close and personal here. Yeah, it's smoothed out a lot more on the side that I used the Clarisonic. This is a little bit more, I'm getting more coverage, but it's not quite as evenly blended in, even with the Beauty Blender going over it. So I kind of almost feel like I'd rather just layer it on but smooth it out with the Clarisonic. I'm not hating on how my skin looks right now. I mean, I'm not like, ooh, I want to go and have a photo shoot somewhere. It's not that kind of coverage, and I'm definitely gonna have to cover up some of my acne situations going on. But so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put on the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna check back in with you once I have my makeup on to kind of see how everything is sitting on top of it. So through the magic of editing, I will be right back. Yes, magic of editing, my makeup is on. I actually think I'm wearing a little bit more makeup than I normally would for just an everyday outing, but you know what? Why not feel glam, right? As far as the foundation, obviously, you know, most foundations aren't gonna do too much about skin texture. Upon closer inspection, I'm surprised that I like the side with the Clarisonic foundation brush a little bit better. It's not quite as much coverage, but it feels much smoother and more even. I did powder over it with my RCMA No Color Powder. I did my usual kind of like powdered cheek situation, and I gotta be honest, it applied really well. I did not get a lot of pull. I am really surprised because my skin was super red when I actually started this process. I'm surprised at how much it seems to have calmed down, and I'm actually surprised at how smooth and even my skin actually is, considering this is just a tinted moisturizer. And I did put powder on, but not a lot. I'm actually gonna get dressed and go about my day, and I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna try to do some check-ins throughout the day and let you guys know how this holds up and how I like it at the end of the day. So just keep watching.
Your next comic coming to the stage, one of my favorites. She's a Worcester stalwart. That's what I'm gonna. That's my new term, Worcester stalwart. I'm gonna look that up later and hope that it's a good thing. My friend comedian, one of my favorites. My friend, please give it up for Sarah Blodgett.
Yes, Brian, I was your friend until you called me an STD. I'm sure that's what that is. It's got the word wart in it. Hey guys, so it is super late. I actually had a really long day, and I was gonna check in with you outside in like daylight so you guys could see it outside, but it started raining. Weather was terrible. I have my ring light, which is the only thing that's giving me any light right now, which is why I feel like I'm kind of like blinded by the light. But yeah, I had a long day today. I went to the movies. I actually saw the Black Panther movie, which was amazing. I highly recommend it. It was just an amazing movie. Fashion, like from an artistic perspective, it was just a beautiful movie, and like the strong women in the movie were like off the charts. Highly recommend it. I had popcorn though, which means salty mess all over my face. And I also did a comedy show tonight, which made it super late. Foundation got a workout today. One thing I will notice is that I use the same bronzer blush combo that I usually do, and it looked darker on my face than it usually does. I feel like because this foundation is more of a tinted moisturizer, it picked up more of the pigment, if that makes any sense. My face is definitely shinier than it normally would be at this point in the night. Not insanely greasy, like it doesn't feel bad, it just looks shinier than usual. I do have oily skin though, and I do feel like it was hydrating. I don't feel like it was like too heavy for my skin. I just feel like it was a little bit, I mean, I don't like mattifying foundations. I prefer stuff that, even with oily skin, I prefer stuff that has more of a glow, but this was a little bit too glowing. My cheeks did get kind of red during the day, but I think that was a change in temperatures that was going on, because it was like snowing yesterday, and it was like, I had a lightweight jacket on today, so the weather's been going crazy. I feel like I would give this a try again. I would use it with the Clarisonic foundation brush, because I feel like I got a much smoother finish on this side, and I probably would do, like I would layer it. I haven't fully decided if I think it's going to be worth it, like as far as going in my regular rotation, but I don't hate it. I just feel like I can't really say. I don't have dry skin, so I can't really say if this would be hydrating enough for really dry skin, but I do feel like if your skin is sort of like normal but leans to dry, I do think that this would be really good for you. If your skin is really oily, especially if you're sensitive to, like, you don't want your skin shiny at all, this might not be the best foundation for you. So overall, I think it's good as a tinted moisturizer. I mean, especially in the winter time where things tend to be a little bit dry anyway, having these sort of great hydrating products could be really good for your skin on like just sort of an everyday where you don't need a lot of coverage. But I mean, I don't see this becoming my new favorite foundation, but I think I would try it again. So if you guys have tried this foundation, or you have a favorite tinted moisturizer that you love, let me know. I'll leave it in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. If you have any other products you'd like me to test and review, let me know. Leave those in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. A while back, I was suffering from anxiety and depression, and I truly believe that beauty and makeup and glamour saved my life, and I believe it can save yours too. So if you want to join my Starlet squad, be sure you hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on all my social media channels. The links will all be in the description box below, along with a link to this product right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you join me next time.